Okay, so what I was originally going to do was just do another Rain World Hunter run, you know, because I'd done that before. But I thought of something instead, and I realized two things. That's lame. I'm not gonna do that. So instead, I decided to make basically a really scuffed Rain World Hunter challenge mode, essentially. Planning on doing a hunter run where I only eat scavengers. It's pretty simplistic. It's pretty straightforward to what I'm trying to do. And what I am trying to do is, yeah... Let me just go over the basics of what it's supposed to be. So, I can eat scavengers, blue fruit, batflies, bubble fruit, orange mold, vulture grubs, the neuron flies, the jellyfish, and the hazers. And I am allowed 2 popcorn plants in the entire run, meaning I can only eat 2 the entire time. I'll just say if I accidentally eat a third one, then I'll just, you know, I'll just restart the cycle, it's fine. And I can kill whatever I want, but consuming anything that isn't listed will result in me just restarting the cycle over again. And I'm not allowed any free passes from scavenger tolls, meaning that I have to choose violence. This is fine. And with all this information, I have compiled and thought about this over the past few weeks, and basically just thought, you know, given all this, I'm not gonna go to Moon. Fuck Moon. I'm not doing that. There's no scavengers there. There's only jellyfish and fruit and batflies, and I'm not gonna waste one of my popcorn plants going to save her, so she can die. With all of that, what am I supposed to gain through all this? Literally nothing. I just thought that it'd be pretty funny. So let's just go ahead and start this. No, I don't want that. I cannot eat centipedes. Because centipedes give quite a lot. Can kill them though. Can't eat newts either. Because newts are a fucking lot. Was that a... That is. No, it's not. I'm blind. I thought that was a explosive spear. It's not. Of course, there's another one. Come here. Can you come down here, please? I don't have much time. I don't have like a whole lot of time at all, actually. Please move. Please. Wow, okay. That's fine. Nope. Okay. This staircase is always so wonky. I see. Having fun there, buddy? Just gonna ignore him real quick. Oh, there's 2 of them. Can't believe I'm playing a hunter run where batflies are actually beneficial in some way. Hello, Newt. White lizard, hi! That was actually the coolest thing I've ever done. Shit. Okay, this is the one. I feel it. This is the one where the run actually starts. I believe in myself. Sky Islands makes me so fucking nervous all the time. Come on. Oh, friend. Hello. Shit. Nice. Okay, cool. Excuse me. Nice, okay, great. Finally, I made progress. Now my run can actually start. Only took me 3 tries. Okay, I'm gonna do a funny. It's gonna be super funny. I don't plan to get any good points with this. I would just like to, you know, there we go. Oh wait. Well, there's the first instance of me being a dumbass. Yeah, I cannot eat those guys. I'm just really used to that being the first thing I do. Do you hear it, little one? The buzzing in the air? Not really. 'Cause I'm dead. That was unnecessarily loud.
Enemy spotted.
Are you fucking how? Okay, I just don't want more. Can I have that back, please? Thank you. Whew. Shit. Okay, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, how much hunger do I have? Okay. I know where a scav, here, come here. I know where one of those, like, scav trading posts is. At least I think it's around here. Pretty sure I know where it is. I'll just go kill him. We'll just do that. Seems fair. Okay, yeah, it's down there. Okay. Food. Okay, this isn't going as badly as I thought it was going to. It's going just about as well as, you know, every other run that I normally do. Not normally dying as much, but I think that's just my luck for today, to be honest. Alright. The wall, however, is going to suck. Because, in case any of you didn't know, there are no scavengers in the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing now. I don't normally do that, I normally wait. But I have a feeling that I'm gonna be dying a whole lot. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this as soon as I possibly can. Shit! Oh my god! Now I'm thinking right now. I think now is when I'm gonna spend that one popcorn plant. Because, yeah, there's no scavs in this area. And he's gonna try to kill me. I think he just died. I think he just killed himself. Yeah, he did. He just straight up just killed himself. Okay, yeah, I think I am gonna spend it. Okay, yep, one popcorn plant. One popcorn plant. I can only take one more after this. Alright, this place is going to prove to be probably the hardest place to get through. When it comes to food, at least. But yeah, this place is definitely going to suck. The run is slowly going to progressively get harder. Because I've stated it before. unless I took it out earlier, which I probably did. I've stated before that the AI of scavengers, they will willingly go after you the more of them that you kill. They'll send hunting parties after you. So that's what I mean. No. That's what I mean when the run will progressively get harder. Or easier, actually. Technically it will get easier. Be easier to find food, harder to get it. That's essentially what's gonna happen. You know what? This is... I've had a good run. Yeah, I can't. I'm pretty much fucked. Hey, just kill me. Just kill me real quick. Strike me down, Zeus. Actually, no, I got a better idea. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting about this room. There's nothing full of white lizards. How many? 3. Okay, no, there's 4 of them. Nope, don't eat them. I don't want to eat them. I want to diet. Come here. Hey. Big red tasty slug cat just for you. Please. Oh, look at that. What lovely fruit for the picking. Here, I'm trying to eat you. There we go. Okay, I might get this guy after I talk to Pebbles first. It'll be nice, so, like, the moment I think I'm pretty sure he's the last echo I need, actually. That one right there. And then I can just bolt it to the subterranean. And live. This is going pretty good so far. You know, come on. Things have gotta suck sometimes to make them work. I have come to eat your neurons. Could someone please make a meme of like Slug Cat coming in to fucking Pebbles' little cube and being like, we have come to eat your neurons. Please. Someone make that before I make that. I hope it's gone to some help to her. Dance their silly rituals. Hey, that's racist. Ow. Just threw me in the corner. I'm not into that, Pebbles. Hi. I suggest you hurry. Okay. 1 second though, I'm gonna eat your brain cells real quick. 'Cause I need 1 more. Okay, I'm gonna get the last echo, and then after that, I think I'll do the rest of this some other time.